Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. In today's video, I'm gonna review the Couple Joy application. You can easily install it on your device from Play Store with me or from App Store. So let's open it up, just click on it, let's type the name of this application. Okay, here it is. This is a pretty new application, but this app already has a really good rating and a lot of downloads. So let's try to install it, just click on this button. So to be honest, the rating is really good and there are a lot of good reviews on this page. So the application is installed and finally we can open it up. So let's click on this button. This is how the homepage looks like. So here you can change the language and start creating your account. If you already have an account in this application, just click on the second button, but I haven't. So let's click on Let's Get Started. Okay, type here your name, of course, click on continue button, just upload your image right here and click on continue. Okay, here you need to answer what's your couple anniversary date. Just select the date and type your email right here. And the last thing you need to do is create your password. Okay, let's create our account. And after the registration, you can send this special code to your partner. To do it, just copy it and send it to him or her. Or you can enter your partner's code right here. Just type it here, just like that, and click on connect. So just click on not now at the top right. On this page, you can read more about their premium plan, monthly and yearly. So, or just click on the cross icon at the top left. And finally, we are in the application. This is how it looks like. At the very top, you can see me, and if you connect your partner, you'll see her or him. At the very bottom, you can find 5 tabs. The homepage, questions and games, our journal. So here you can create a journal and add here some pictures, memory or special day. Very interesting. Notifications, of course. And the last page is your profile. Here you can change all information about yourself, go to the settings, change something, language for example, and so on. So let's take a closer look at the homepage because it's very interesting tab. So here you can find free daily conversation, recommended for you, daily life for example. So here you can answer on questions about you or your partner. Also here you can find the couple stats. Here you can find all information about your relationships, for example, days together, questions answered, special days, and so on. It's very cool. Also, you can find your partner on the map, but this feature only for premium plan, as I know. Yeah. And the second tab is questions and games. Well, on this page you can play with your partner. So the last thing I wanna show you how to create a journal with your partner. So all you need to do is just tap on create right here or click on the plus button at the top right and here select memory or special day. For example, memory. Here you can title it and create a description and of course add images right here. Just from your gallery, type here something and click on save. And after that, on this page, you'll find all your images. To be honest, it's really cool feature. Well, it was a short tutorial about this application. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.